You can't imagine your DIY activity without a hot glue gun, can you? Find a new life hack selection with this wonderful crafting tool. Do you need a sparkly silver button to decorate your craft? Don't rush to a supply store, use your hot glue gun. Smear fatty cream over a piece of foil. Pour a ton of glitter. Spread it evenly over a small area. Squeeze hot glue on top to shape like a button. Pour the glitter until the glue's liquid. Press a little with your finger to let the sparkles attach better. The glue's cooled, we've got a sparkly disc. Shake off the excess. Let's turn the circle into a button using an awl. Pierce the disc through. Complete making the button. Prick the circle again. You can use the lovely sparkling button to embellish other crafts. You can also use it in scrapbooking or card making. Do you need to embellish a tag? You can make it with the hot glue gun. We've got a cardstock heart tag we want to decorate. Draw a floral pattern with a pencil. Let it have curves. Let's test a glitter glue stick. Green will match the pattern perfectly. Control the glue stream by hand. You can substitute the glitter stick for the blank one. When it cools, cover the pattern with nail polish and sprinkle with the glitter. You'll have to have patience to do this diligent work, but the result is worth it. You can use this fabulous heart tag as a doorknob hanger or a gift package embellishment. How do you make a brooch using hot glue and wire? It's easy. We'll need the craft wire. Let the 2 wire loops shape a butterfly wing. Carefully stretch the hot glue over the wing to make a thin film. We've got 2 pretty wings. Join them together. Form the body. Cut off the excess. Correct the antenna shape. Make them more expressive. Add a drop of the hot glue to the ends. Attach a brooch base. The marvelous butterfly looks like it has just flown off the flower. It's an easy thing to make unique jewelries using the hot glue. Make an imprint of this charming rose flower. Smear it with the fatty cream. Use a brush to spread the cream between the petals. Pour the hot glue onto the foil. Make a thick layer. Press the rose over the liquid glue. Wrap it into the foil. Wait until the glue hardens. Unwrap the foil. Remove the flower. Cut off the excess. The glue repeated all the petals' curves. Put polymer clay into the mold. Press well to imprint all the details. Carefully remove the clay from the mold. Cut off the excess. You can make a few clay roses using the same one glue mold. To complete making the earrings, we should put in the clasps. Prick the rose with the French hook pin. Now you should bake the roses. You'll find the appropriate time and temperature for baking in the instruction for the polymer clay you're using. Glue the French hooks in the cool roses. Make the necklace in the same way.